Bowerbird Nest. The bowerbird builds one of the most unusual structures in the bird world. Interestingly, the bower is not a real nest used for raising chicks. Instead, it is a carefully designed display built by the male to attract a mate. Using twigs, sticks, flowers, berries, shells, and colorful objects, the bird creates a decorative avenue or arch-like structure. Some species even sort objects by color and arrange them in patterns. Blue objects are especially popular among many bowerbirds. After finishing the structure, the male performs dances and displays around it to impress visiting females. Scientists often compare this behavior to an artist creating a gallery. Once a female chooses a mate, she builds a separate nest elsewhere for laying eggs. The bower itself remains one of nature's most remarkable examples of animal creativity and design. Sociable weaver bird nest. The sociable weaver creates one of the largest and most impressive communal nests on Earth. Found in the dry regions of southern Africa, these small birds work together to build enormous structures made from grass and twigs. A single nest can contain hundreds of individual chambers and house several generations of birds at the same time. Some nests become so large that they weigh more than a ton. From a distance, they resemble giant haystacks hanging from trees or utility poles. Inside, however, is a complex network of tunnels and rooms. The thick roof protects the birds from the intense daytime heat, while the inner chambers help retain warmth during cold desert nights. Some of these nests remain occupied for decades, constantly growing as more birds add new sections. They are often called apartment complexes of the bird world because of their incredible size and organization. Tailorbird is famous for its extraordinary nest-building technique that resembles sewing. Using its sharp beak, the bird pierces tiny holes along the edges of large leaves. It then threads plant fibers, cotton, or spider silk through the holes to stitch the leaves together. This creates a hidden pouch-like structure suspended among the foliage. Inside this leafy shelter, the bird builds a soft cup lined with grass and feathers where the eggs are placed. The design provides excellent camouflage because the nest blends perfectly with the surrounding vegetation. Predators often pass nearby without noticing it. The tailorbird's skill is so impressive that it inspired its common name. Few birds demonstrate such precision and craftsmanship when constructing a home for their young. Weaver bird. Weaver bird is widely regarded as one of nature's finest architects. Males spend days weaving strips of grass and plant fibers into intricate hanging nests. Every strand is carefully knotted and interlocked, creating a structure that is both lightweight and incredibly strong. Most nests hang from the ends of branches where predators have difficulty reaching them. Many species also include a narrow entrance tunnel that acts as an additional layer of protection. Female weaver birds carefully inspect these nests before choosing a mate. If the construction does not meet their standards, they simply reject it. As a result, males often build several nests before successfully attracting a partner. These woven homes showcase remarkable engineering skills despite being built by a bird no larger than a sparrow. European bee-eater bird nest. Unlike most birds that build nests above ground, the European bee-eater creates its home underground. These colorful birds excavate long tunnels in sandy riverbanks, cliffs, and soil walls. Working with their beaks and feet, they dig passages that can extend more than a meter deep. At the end of the tunnel lies a nesting chamber where eggs are laid and chicks are raised. The long tunnel serves as a natural defense against predators and harsh weather. Bee-eaters often nest in large colonies, with hundreds of tunnels packed closely together. Entire cliffs can become covered with nesting holes, creating what looks like a giant honeycomb made by birds. This unique nesting strategy provides safety while allowing the birds to live in large social groups. Hummingbird Nest. The hummingbird builds one of the smallest nests in the entire bird kingdom. Many are no larger than a walnut shell or a golf ball. Despite their tiny size, these nests are engineering masterpieces. Hummingbirds use soft plant fibers, moss, and lichens to form the outer structure. They then bind everything together with spider silk, which acts like a natural elastic thread. This allows the nest to stretch as the chicks grow larger. The exterior is carefully decorated with bits of bark and lichen, helping it blend into nearby branches. Because of this camouflage, many hummingbird nests are almost impossible to spot. These miniature homes provide a secure environment for some of the smallest bird chicks in the world. Malleefowl bird nest. The malleefowl of Australia uses a nesting strategy unlike almost any other bird. Instead of building a traditional nest, it creates a massive mound of sand, soil, leaves, and decaying vegetation. Some mounds can reach several meters in width and stand over a meter tall. As the plant material inside decomposes, it generates heat, much like a compost pile. The male carefully monitors the mound's temperature throughout the breeding season. If it becomes too hot, he removes material. If it becomes too cool, he adds more vegetation or soil. This natural incubator keeps the eggs at an ideal temperature without the parents needing to sit on them. The malleefowl's nesting system is a remarkable example of environmental engineering in the animal kingdom. Montezuma Oropendola bird nest. The Montezuma Oropendola builds spectacular hanging nests that resemble long woven baskets suspended from tall tropical trees. These nests are constructed using vines, grasses, and plant fibers woven together into a durable structure. Some nests can exceed 1 meter in length. Colonies often contain dozens of nests hanging from a single tree branch. The design provides protection from many predators because reaching the nests is difficult. Strong winds may cause the nests to sway dramatically, but their flexible construction helps them remain secure. During breeding season, entire trees become decorated with these dangling structures, creating one of the most striking sights in the tropical forests of Central America. Their appearance makes them among the most recognizable nests in the world. Elf owl nest. The elf owl is the smallest owl species on Earth and has a unique approach to nesting. Rather than building its own nest, it relies on natural cavities and abandoned woodpecker holes. In desert regions, it commonly nests inside giant cactus plants such as the saguaro cactus. These cavities provide excellent protection from predators and extreme temperatures. The thick cactus walls act as natural insulation, keeping the interior cooler during the day and warmer at night. By using existing shelters, the elf owl conserves energy while gaining a secure place to raise its young. This clever adaptation allows the tiny owl to survive in some of North America's harshest environments. Flamingo bird nest. The flamingo constructs a nest unlike almost any other water bird. Instead of using sticks or leaves, it gathers mud and shapes it into a cone-shaped mound rising above shallow water. These structures can stand several inches high and serve an important purpose. By elevating the egg, the nest helps protect it from flooding, excess moisture, and changing water levels. Usually, a single egg is placed on top of the mound. Both parents take turns incubating it while carefully balancing on their long legs. In large breeding colonies, thousands of mud nests can cover the landscape. From a distance, the area resembles a field filled with miniature volcanoes. Though simple in appearance, the flamingo's mud nest is perfectly adapted to life in wetlands and salt lakes.